All right, actually really good question. You know, HELUKABEL started our business in 1978 as a distributor for wiring cable. Today, you know, only a few years later, we are a global manufacturer with an annual revenue of 1.2 billion US dollars, manufacturing cables, parts, pieces, components like accessories like cable glands, connectors, tools, anything that you need in industrial automation. But in today's industry, in today's market, our customers are not looking for parts, pieces, and components any longer. They are actually looking for solutions. And that is exactly what we have done over the past 10 years as far as expanding our product portfolio, our offerings, and our capabilities are concerned. But rather than telling you, maybe you just come with me and I show you. Come on. All right, so as the industrial market has become much more competitive over the most recent years, we as a company have evolved to become a true solution provider. And that is in order to help our customers to reduce costs, to increase efficiency, and to minimize downtime. Let me show you just a few items that can help you actually accomplish that as well. So today, we're not only your provider for your bulk cable needs, but we also manufacture of your custom cable assemblies and harnesses that can be used in many different applications, as you can see here in our own dress pack solutions. Showing our bump guards, our hoses, actually the trumpets, all the brackets. We provide these as one solution to all major robotic manufacturers. But we didn't stop there. We even take it one step further. Our most recent evolution as a system provider does not only allow us to manufacture our own assemblies and harnesses, but also actually pack entire drag chains, as you can see here in our plastic as well as aluminum and stainless steel options that we have today. So if you believe we can be of assistance to you and your company with our electrical system solutions, then we would love to partner up with you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us.